初次见你，一双迷人的眼睛，在我脑海里，你的身影挥散不去。握你的双手，感觉你的温柔，真的有点透不过气。你的天真，我想珍惜。看到你受委屈，我会伤心。只怕我自己会爱上你。
Hindi ko na alam ano nangyari sa amin. Pagod kami dahil. May kasama pa akong ano dito. PWD. Na-stress ako. PWD. We're at the high-speed trail. Kung ka pa ba akong fresh ability? Nakaka-fresh ba ang commute sa Taipei? Like shit. Nagkandaligaw-ligaw kami.
Ayan lang pala. Gusto ko nakaupo din.
We skipped the ocean shit line. And finally, we have easy card.
Ay, Diyos ko Lord.
So, pa ng ibang design, pero wala ng ibang design. Pero cute naman siya. Bait na mga tao dito, oh my God. Naliligaw kami tapos nakatingin kami dun sa maps. Tapos, merong isang citizen na nagturo sa amin ng way. Tapos ngayon, recently lang, like as in bago lang ako. As we're walking, nahulog yung tubig, di ko na malayan. Tapos tumakbo. Tumakbo siya, tapos hinatid niya yun. Oh my gosh. Alam niyo lang guys yung nangyari. Wow!
Ang mga naliligaw.
Ala, ang oy, di ko na.
2 hours later.
We're at the, I don't know what this is, night market. We're at the night market, but it's not night yet. Nothing special, but the pearl is so good.
Later.
Me and my mom are going out again. We're currently on the way to Taipei 101. Hello na ako. My favorite resto. Eyeshadow.
Please look at the screens on both sides.
We're on our way to Rauhe Night Market. Nahihilo na ako sa gutom. Ending our first day here at Taiwan with a Rauhe Night Market. Wow! Ang ganda gago! Wow, meron pa silang garbage station. We're going to be trying out the buns. It's good. I like it. Thank you. We're currently at the Yonghe Soy breakfast hinenero. Ayan. Walking. Wow, so cute. So cute. We're finally here at Maokong after almost an hour. Actually, an hour train ride. And we are going upstairs to like go. Ayun yung Taipei 101. We're going in! Fun!
Lazy Sunday mornings hiding.
On the way to the damn zoo. Nawala namin yung QR code, guys. Huwag niyo mawalain yung putang yung QR code.
Oo, wala hindi tapon mo.
We arrived! I'm excited to see a capybara. That's the poison frog. You see it? It's so small, bruh! Penguin! May lumapit sa amin habang kumakain. Bye-bye! Bye po! Kasama sa vlog.
One eternity later. A few inches later.
Ayun pa. Ayan oh, panda oh. Yes! Sa'yo. Buha ka.
Later. 6.5 hours later.
I don't mind staying in with
O, ilaw ka muna.
Play your favorite movie, playing right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. The corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
Magkano ah?
Hi guys, so we are at the hotel now. I'm excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's not be disappointed. I hope. Take your first bite. Guys, masarap. Nagpo-fog na yung camera ko. Oh my gosh, it's fogging. Welcome to Baguio City.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby in your absence life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you.
Finally leaving. I don't know if naririnig nyo pa. Sobrang init. Babad na ako dito.
By my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by.
Yan, cornet. Good, good.
Sometimes I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us wanted to grow up. But now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. There are memories. Honestly, I can't. 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that
One eternity later.
Hi guys, so my mom and I are at Din Tai Fung After a long queue, nagkandaligaw-ligaw pa kami kasi I thought Taipei 101 was on blue line. Bitch, it's in red line. We have to go back. And right now, we're finally here. Nadrain kami dun sa North East. I'm so oily. Red bean. Kala ko madudumi yan. Ay, kalatos oh.
Munggo kasi yan si May
Oo nga, no?
Now it's last order.
Sarap siya. I like it.
Wala ang kalaban yun dyan.
Some people have to say.
Hi guys, it's our last day here. Hello. It's our last day here and we are choosing to spend it here in Wulai. And we are currently at the Wulai Old Street. This is how it looks like.
You to take the next 10 steps of your day. Some people wanna take what they want you to do. But I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live your life? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through, push through.
Our dinner for tonight.
Yourself up to be from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no. You cannot hold up my rocket from going where it's gonna go.
I'ma tell you push through, push through.